What is this? Look how cold this is. Guys, advice, do not let these windows go down if you haven't put some warm water here, not hot water, warm water on this. It released the window, because these windows obviously automatically go down when you unlock the car on a Scirocco, but you can turn one window to do it on its own and the other one to not do it when you unlock the car, so just bear that in mind. But look at all of this. Absolutely hate winter. I'm not a winter boy, obviously, you know I'm from South Africa. Not a winter boy, but at the same time we embrace it. Right guys, welcome back to yet another video. It's so good to make another video. Obviously you guys know I was getting the Maxton Design extended side skirts, because we do have the Scirocco R skirts on here. If you guys haven't seen that video, there's a link below. You can watch that video and have a look to see how to install those. Anyway, these are them. I've had to squeeze them into the car because I couldn't open the boot, so I actually had to come through the driver's side to get these in here. But these are the extended, they go all the way to the back. Got my trusted orange pin strap, which is going to finish it off, so it's going to look cool. Oh, it's not too bad today. 1.5 degrees. I've seen minus there a few days, so not too bad actually. Anyway guys, let's head down to our favorite mechanic, polisher, refurbishment guy, does everything. Let's go down TP Smart Repairs and go see Tommy, and let's get these skirts installed just before Christmas. Peace. Before we head down there, let me show you how to function the side windows when opening the car. So you can only choose the driver's side, you can choose all, but let me show you how to do that. Look here. So what you want to do is obviously scroll through, not there, go to convenience, go down to window operation, and then you can choose what do you want on. Do you want it all? Do you want it off? So you can choose. So obviously you can only have the driver on, or you can have it all on, or you can have it don't open when you open the car, but I don't know how the fuck that's gonna work, but anyway. But yeah, let's just go back there, convenience, window, let's just go, I just want the driver to open, go back, and that's it guys. Now, let's head down to Tommy. Cool, so obviously we've arrived at TP. I've got the side skirts up to put the orange stripes on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the orange pin stripe on now. Then at least when it's on the car, I know it's all perfectly on anyway. So this is what we got. It comes with tape on it, so I've got to remove all of this tape. And then obviously this can go on. But obviously as it shows, so it's got an arrow on it. Got a little sticker on it, give you a little Maxton Design thing over there. Free promotion here, by the way, Maxton. Yeah, so that arrow, obviously got to match the car. And then it goes, so there's the car. Arrow facing that way. And that's gonna go on there. I would recommend you need 2 people to do this job. So let's put the pin strap on now, and then yeah, we'll move on to the next stage.
Abby?
Yeah, can you go more your way, Tommy, or no?
I'm flush on the end.
Okay, cool.
On, yeah?
Yeah, how does it feel?
Yeah.
Quick, dude.
Go now. Let go. Okay. In total, what you're going to have to do is, if you look, here,
Yeah, let me get a torch.
yeah, to actually run your pop rivets through. So we're going to run about 9-10 of them the full way, all the way down on that side. And as you can see, Dolly's given the seal of approval as well.
TP Smart Repair.
Yeah, we're going to put about 9-10 of them all the way down there. Alright. Awesome, Tommy. Just be careful, don't bring them too far out to the edge. Because if you do that, you'll see it through the side. Okay. You just want to barely see it. Alright.
Cool. Let's do it, Tommy. Looks good so far. Right guys, so obviously tools used, drill, pop rivets, there's the size there if you guys are interested, and obviously a pop rivet gun. Looks wicked, looks really good. Oh shit, look at that.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground.
Okay, so the car's done. I'm pretty happy with it. TP Smart Repairs, again, big shout out to them for sorting the car out and helping me out, because I couldn't do it without them. So it was a bit cold. Tommy didn't want to come outside. I said to him, let me just put you in the video, and he's like, no, not today. So he's here in cardboard. So here's Tommy. He's decided to show himself in a different manner, but here he is. He's the man behind helping me, assisting me on everything on this car. I think the car for now is complete. I'm not too sure what else I would do to it. So the Scirocco, in my eyes, is all done. He's obviously done a cracking job on these skirts, as you can see. Tommy did the front skirts for me too. This was the first mod I ever did to this car, and Tommy was the person behind it again. So it's a massive shout out to Tommy, TP Smart Repairs, John and Tommy together. None of these videos could be possible without them. So I just want to say a good Christmas, Merry Christmas to them, and a Happy New Year, and I'm excited to see what the new year brings. But for now, we'll just leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like, subscribe, and leave your comments, and stay safe. Merry Christmas to you all. Peace.